Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 8:31 here in the middle part of the country on Tuesday. It's August 31st, 2021. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. In New Orleans, in Louisiana in general, power still out. Looks like it might be out for up to 6 weeks. That is forcing major shutdowns of the oil industry in the Gulf Coast. About 95% of oil production, 96% of gas production, and millions of barrels of daily refining capacity is offline and could be offline for several weeks, as refineries really don't have an option to get feedstock to get power into their refineries. It does look like a bad situation indeed. We will keep you updated as we get more information out of Louisiana, but safe to say on a go-forward basis, this does put a really high floor on gasoline prices here domestically as we head into a Labor Day weekend, really the last big demand weekend of the summer. Zoom down 11% here in pre-market as growth is slowing in their core communications business, of course. Now that folks are returning to the office, Zoom seeing sales growth decline a little bit. Will be interesting to see if their call center acquisition from earlier in the year starts to drive additional organic revenue growth to the company to offset those declines in its core business. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Tuesday, we had soaring home prices according to CNBC. I don't know if soaring is the right word, right? We had 16% increase year over year in May, 18% in June. That's a 2% home price increase month over month. I don't know if that's soaring, but that's the headline here from CNBC. Case-Shiller is the index. It is nationwide. There continues to be a strong demand for new houses. Of course, that could all change when the eviction moratorium is actualized. We're starting to see that come in the next week. There could be a couple of months worth of housing come to market here over the next quarter. Of course, that will increase supply pretty dramatically and perhaps have a little bit of a tapering effect on prices. Of course, for those who are losing their homes, our thoughts do go out. We hope that the situation does get better. From an economic perspective, it will balance the market quite a bit. If you want some additional information throughout the day, feel free to follow me. As always, I'm on Twitter. It's OKC CFA CFP. Until then, I hope you have a very nice Tuesday. I am out.